Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Apex 3. In this video I'll show you how to manage key bindings. In the beginning, go to SteelSeries engine and enter your Apex 3 keyboard settings. Now go to key bindings, and now you can manage all key bindings, function key zone, standard key zone, numpad key zone, or all custom key bindings. Select button you want to adjust, and now select new function for your button. Tap done, and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.